It's a party on the beach, a little bit salty, a little bit sweet. Watching that sunset showing down from a front row seat. Good times, good vibes, good people, sitting around a fire, getting higher than a seagull every flip-flopping day of the week. Yeah, it's a party on the beach. It's a party on the beach. Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Party on the Beach by Kelley. This is a great song off his new album. I know, this is my third one in a row. Get over it. I love it. Alright, I love the album. So, Kelley, if you see this, I would love it if you would give me a comment. I doubt you'll see it though. But anyway, so, yeah, please hit like and subscribe so you guys can get notified when I come out with new tutorials in the future. Yeah, and so this song is in standard tuning, no capo. It's only 4 chords, and the strumming pattern is the same throughout the whole thing. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you the chords that you're going to play, I'm going to show you the strumming pattern, I'm going to show you where you play the chords with the lyrics and stuff. And the strumming pattern is basically, and the chord progression is basically the same throughout the whole song, but there's a couple parts where it's a little bit different, so I'll walk you through that, alright? So kind of stick around with me for all of the video, I think, you should, but let me know if you have other requests you want to learn and stuff, okay? So let's get into this. So the chords you're going to start with, you're going to start with A minor, okay? Alright, then you're going to go to D. Okay, and then G. So I would do this G because it's just really easy to go from D to G like that. Okay, and then you do E minor. Okay, so you start out with A minor, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so it's just that down, down, up, down, 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 up. So it goes A minor, D, and you go, what y'all know about a party on the beach? Beach is where you play G, beach. Ha. Then you go, red sky night. Okay, night is where you do A minor. And for the verses, you can just do single strums. You can just do A minor, D, G, E minor. But I think what you should do is louder for the intro, softer for the verses, and louder for the chorus, okay? So you're gonna do red sky night, sailors delight. Okay, delight, so light is where you do D, delight, trucks in the sand. So sand is G, sand, cups in some hands. So hands is E minor, hands, dogs on the grill. So grill is A minor, grill, dogs on the leash. So dogs off the leash, leash is D, leash, everything's chill. So chill is G, chill, she can still feel the heat. Heat is E minor, heat, yeah, so what I do is you could either just do one mute, alright? So after you do G is chill and heat is E minor, heat, yeah, okay, so I think it sounds better if you do slap, slap, slap. Alright, so you do, you can still feel the heat, yeah, it's a party. Okay, so I just did 2 there, but you could do, you can still feel the heat, yeah, it's a party on the beach. A little bit salty, a little bit sweet, watching that sunset showing down from a front row seat. Okay, so what you're going to do for the chorus is on party, we're going to do A minor. Yeah, yeah, it's a party on, so party is A minor. Party on the beach, a little bit salty, salty is D, salty, a little bit sweet, watching that sunset, sunset is G, sunset showing down from a front, okay, front is E minor, front row seat, good times, times is A minor, times, good vibes, good people, sitting around a fire, fire is D, fire getting higher than a seagull, after every, so like after you say the word every, you do G. Every flip-flopping day of the week. Week is E minor. Week, yeah, it's a party. So party is A minor. Party on the beach. The end of beach, you do D. And this is where the chord progression changes a little bit. So because you go from, yeah, it's a party on the beach. Instead of going through G and then E minor, you just do D. You go back to A minor, and you start over. Some beach somewhere right now, Santa Cruz out to Carolina. I can guarantee right now, if there's sand, you're gonna find a party on the... Okay, so You could just do 2 slaps or whatever you can fit in there. But so then you'll do that chorus, and then at the end of the chorus this time, you're actually gonna do the second time you end the chorus, you do, it's a party on the beach. So D after beach, yeah, it's a party. You do G, so you finish the chord progression this time. Party on the beach. So you do G and then E minor, woo! And then the instrumental is A minor, D, G, E minor. Okay? Then for the next bit, you do got some locals, got some. So for the bridge, you're gonna do got some locals. Locals is A minor. Locals got some newbies, got my rum. Rum is D. Rum, she got her truly. It's a party. So that part you just do A minor then D. You don't play the G in E minor. So then you start over. It's a party on the beach. And in the bridge, you're just gonna do on party on the beach part. You're just gonna do like the chorus part. You're just gonna do single strums. It's a party on the beach. Every flip-flopping day of the week. Yeah, it's a party on the beach. A little bit salty, a little bit sweet. Watching that sunset showing down from a front row seat. Alright, now when you end the song, you're just gonna do single strum on A minor, single strum on D, and then you end it on G. Alright? That's how I play the whole song. Super easy, awesome song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. See you next time.